Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Many a times it happens that we want to eat something exciting and we don't have most of the ingredients, but you yet want to have a tasty curry along with the rice. And so for that today I'm going to show you how to make an omelette curry. So for that I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil. And once the oil is hot, I'm going to fry 3 onions that I have sliced. I'm going to fry them nice and brown. The onions have turned slightly brown. Let's add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 inch of ginger, and just fry it for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add a few spices, some cloves, about 5 cloves, 8 black peppercorns, and half an inch of cinnamon. Fry this as well along with the onions. And now I'm going to add a cup of grated fresh coconut. And I'm going to fry this till the coconut turns slightly golden as well. The coconut is fried as well. I'm going to add some chili powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Mix this and I'm going to add 1 tomato. I'm going to fry all this for exactly a minute more. We don't want the chili powder to burn. I've taken a cherry sized tamarind. I'm going to add this. I'm going to cool this and then I'm going to grind it to a nice fine paste. Let me keep this aside and let's make the omelets. So for the omelets I've taken 4 eggs. I'm going to beat these eggs now. I'm going to add some coriander, half a cup of onions. I've taken 2 green chilies that I have finely chopped, some salt. Mix this well. Pour some oil in the pan and now just pour half this mixture and let it cook. Just going to turn the omelette. Do not worry if the omelette breaks because we are anyway going to cut it into pieces. This one's done. Let's remove it in a plate. And now add the remaining mixture. This is done as well. Now let's get on with the gravy. Coconut and onion mixture is also cooled down. Let's grind this to a nice paste. Just let's add a little bit of more water and grind it for 2 minutes. This is ready. Now let's get on with the gravy. Let's heat some oil. The oil is hot. Let's fry this masala for 2 to 3 minutes. While our masala is getting fried, let's just cut the omelette strips. This is fried as well. Let's add water. About half a liter of water should be good enough. Add some salt. And just let's give a nice boil to this curry. The curry's come to a boil. Let's add our omelette slices. Boil it for just a minute and then our curry will be ready. The omelette curry is ready. Let's serve it now. I'm going to garnish this with some finely chopped onions, some freshly chopped coriander leaves, and this dish is ready to be served. You can have this dish with a pav or a chapati or even steamed rice, anything of your choice. So do try this dish and let me know. For such quick fixes, stay tuned to Get Curried.